Hello, my name is Mackenzie and I am a student recruiter with the University of Alberta. Having been a student here at the U of A, one of my favorite parts about campus are the amazing spots to learn, study, and explore on campus. Today I'm going to show you a few in the Alberta School of Business that you can enjoy as a U of A student. Our first stop is the Crothers Learning Commons, our brand new space for students in the business building. This space features tons of desk space to study, bookable meeting rooms, as well as larger boardrooms that our various business clubs use for hosting their meetings. The nice thing about this space is that it is right in the lobby of the business building, meaning you are not far from your classes or the coffee shop. This was designed with students in mind, which is why it is so spacious, modern, and great for all types of activities throughout your degree, from studying to planning to events. Not far from where we just were is the Career and Work Integrated Learning Office. This is an important link between the Alberta School of Business and extended business community. From co-op placement assistance and case competition membership to personalized resume and interview coaching, the team is student-focused every step of the way. This team provides employability skills development and job opportunities for all students within the faculty, whether it is career counseling, enhancing your job search skills, or connecting you with a business in the industry. This is why the University of Alberta is ranked in the top 100 of graduate employability worldwide. The Business Undergraduate Office on the second floor is the heart of student support, where their team guides students through their green and gold journeys. The Undergraduate Office offers academic support through their advisors such as course registration, program changes, exam deferrals, and transfer credit. Well, that brings us to the end of our tour. I hope that you feel at least a little bit more equipped with information on all things U of A. This is certainly just scratching the surface, so if you want to explore more, be sure to visit us for a campus tour. Additionally, if you got questions for me and my team, you can book a one-on-one virtual advising session at uib.ca/advising. We can't wait to welcome you on campus whenever your U of A journey will begin. Bye for now.